Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up, it's more like an idea, more of a recipe. It's quick and convenient for a lot of us that no longer have our family here. Kids grown up, moved away. A lot of our families have passed on. A lot of them have moved away. So a lot of us are like, what are we going to do with a turkey? A lot of us are getting older. So we try to make things more simple because we still want that turkey dinner, right? So there is an easier way. I don't know if any of y'all have tried this, but it's just go to your deli, get some sliced turkey, get you a box of pre-made dressing mix, follow the directions on the box for the dressing, get you a couple of packs of gravy, or you can get, which I like to use, just the boxed one. And we're going to do just some turkey and stuffing roll-ups. Have all your traditional sides with it. If you're not wanting to make up that, you know, big Thanksgiving dinner. So this is convenient. I just have some sliced turkey breast. I went to my deli there and had them slice me up. I believe this is cut at a 3 and 4 between there. You don't want to go too thin with your turkey because you don't want it to dry up on you any. So what I'm going to do is just pour me some of my already made gravy. Now you can make your own gravy if you've got some dressing, some stuffing on hand, you have your own that you made, go ahead. But this is about convenient. So I'm just going to put some of this, one box of this gravy here at the bottom. You can, pardon me, you can use turkey. You can use chicken, whatever kind you like. Get that out of there. And we'll use the other box for the top. Now, what I'm going to do is let me get a plate here. Okay, I have my plate there. Probably roll it right up in the pan. My oven is preheated to 350. But I think it'll be easier rolling, not slipping all around in that gravy, just putting it on a plate. Let me get my turkey out here. You want to get you some big slices. That way you can get it rolled up. You use whatever kind of turkey you want to use. I'm using the oven roasted. I got mine has to be cornbread. They got different kinds of cornbread dressing or dressings, the bread or the turkey, the chicken. Mine's cornbread. Follow your directions on that box. And put, I don't know, maybe a quarter cup in each one here. And just, can y'all see there? Kind of pull it back a little bit and just roll it up. Then I'll show you what I'm going to do, which the next step, just line them all up. And I'm going to continue doing that, getting them rolled, and we'll get that other gravy over top of that there, the rest of them. Okay, I got those done. I still had some dressing left over because that's all the turkey I had. You could probably get at least, well, it depends on the size of your turkey, how long or big it is, but and how much you stuff in it. But that ain't going to go to waste. There's probably close to half a cup left there, maybe 2/3 of a cup. But I put probably, those are some pretty big slices. I probably did about 1/3 of a cup in each one. And like I said, mine is cut at a 3 to a 4. Okay, now with this, we're going to have cranberry, we're going to have rolls, we're going to have green beans, some mashed potatoes. But I wanted to share this with y'all for a lot of you that may have not known about how easy this is and delicious. We'll get that other box of gravy. right over top. Now you can use the packaged gravies as well. I mean, you could put much as gravy as you want. When you got potatoes as well, and then all this turkey and dressing in there, you want plenty of gravy, okay? So foil's going on. Oven is preheated to 350. The turkey is already cooked. The dressing is cooked. The gravy's done. We're just warming it through. Probably a half hour, just until it's warmed through. But keep your foil on there. Get it wrapped up good, and in the oven it goes, maybe a half hour. Okay, there are the turkey stuffing roll-ups. Don't those look good and easy? They're so easy to make. So I'm going to get a plate made up and show you what we're having with it. Mine baked for 40 minutes, just until you see that gravy start to bubble. You know they're warmed through. Okay, there it is. We're having it, as I said, with a roll. We got some of the gravy from the turkey roll-ups that they cooked in there on the potatoes. Some cranberries, some green beans. And there's the turkey roll-ups. It's so convenient for so many of us that, like I said, that doesn't, have that big family around us anymore to share that large turkey with. So you can see what these look like there. Can you see that? See, you got your stuffing right in there with that turkey. And I am going to get a bite here with y'all. Grab a little bit of my mashed potatoes. Got to have a bite of that cranberry with that. Didn't get much. An easy Thanksgiving dinner that can be prepared so easily without that big purchase and hours of cooking that bird, right? So anyway, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please like, subscribe, and share if you're enjoying the channel. I have some merch below if you want to go check that out. But as I always say, eat well, love one another, take care of one another, and stay blessed, and make you up an easy turkey dinner. It's easy. Try it. Bye-bye.